The use of colors in the Excel data sheet adds visual appeal and makes key information stand out. The conditional formatting option lets you color cells or cell ranges based on formulas, values, logic, etc. This is a sample to-do list. The background color of cells will be filled based on the task status. Select the cell range where you want to apply formatting. Click on the conditional formatting. Hover the cursor over the Highlight Cell Rules option. Click the More Rules option. Select Format only cells that contain rule type and edit its description. Repeat steps to add rule for all the options. Test the applied formatting. You can customize the highlight rule to meet your requirements.